Hi, it's Phil here. I'm here today to show my Nissan XTRAIL. It's an 0707, it's done 130,000 miles. It's got 5 owners plus myself from new. It's got a full MOT history with it, printout. It's just had a full service. It's had new brakes as well. It'll have 12 months MOT on the car. It's the Columbian model, so don't forget it's got the pan roof. Got a couple of dinges on the boot bumper, and there's a dinge there as you can see. But for the year, for the miles, not a problem. All the tyres are absolutely super condition. There's no rust or rot anywhere. It's got the sat nav in it, multifunction steering wheel, folding mirrors, electric mirrors. It's got everything. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take you inside the car, so I'll see you in a second.